This is a volt inverter. Plug this side into the power. This side wires will be connected in electric box through this hole. Left 0 wire, right left wire. Tighten to avoid falling off. Run the wire to here cut according your requires. Put the wire aside. Connect the air hose to your air source. Push left to turn on the air switch. Before start, check vibrating plate if material enough. Press power button to open machine. Open top switch power for the laminar flow hood and UV light. Lock the doors. Then check the turntable station if remain material, clear it. If there are caps inside, you can use a tube to insert here and twist it. Screw the cap then take it out. Click anywhere to enter main screen. Then open the vibrating plate. Click Initialize. Then check alarm page if any alarms. If have alarms, red light will be on. Clear alarms if have. Go to manual page, click power. Finally, click start to run machine. When finished production, some tubes need be taken out manually. Firstly, initialize machine. Secondly, go to manual page. Check tubes in each station. If not worked, click Start in complying station. When all station be OK, click Turntable Motor Start. Thirdly, click Station Start in sequence, filling, pre-capping, capping, unloading, turntable motor. Repeat until all tube be output. Notice: if one station without product, directly start next station. Make sure finished products be unloaded, otherwise it will cause material stuck. Adjust the speed by control the time. The less time data smaller, the faster speed. Better do not change the parameter to make sure the stably. Another way is to twist the regulating valve to max. Every air hose has a regulating valve. Turn it up to max, then the speed will increase. To be noticed, this cylinder loading station tube ready cannot be too fast. It will cause tube stuck. For example, if loading station material stuck, turn off the air source. Waiting until out of air, then pull out this part a little. Another fast way is pull out this red hose, then the air will run out. Then pull out this part a little, the tube will be down to place. If it cannot down, loosen two screws. Remove this cover, then you can take out the stuck tube. Put cover back and tighten screws. If there are flip cap, lift this up, then it will fall down. Use a blade or tweezers to dig it out. Notice must stop machine first. Press pause or emergency stop button. And also stop air source. Then load it back, lift and gently push. If there are cap inside already when start, the pre-capping lifting cylinder cannot be in place and it will alarm. Clear alarm first. Go to manual page. Method A. Use a blade to take extra cap out. Lift this a little to make some gap if need. Method B. Loosen screws for tube lock, then can take out the cap. Method C. Loosen the jack screw and lift it up, then take cap out. Or press the cap and make it flat lower than front and back cylinder. Then we can click pre-capping FB cylinder so it can back to origin place. Now use a tube to screw the cap. Also take second cap out, check if it has burr, then throw or send back to vibrator. Finally, click Initialize. On Parameter page, Manual Parameter page. If pre-capping station not capping, increase the pneumatic batch time. If the capping motor strength not enough, increase to torque.